Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the sample so you can hear changes in real time. First, duplicate the audio region and work on the copy. This preserves the original. Next, enable Flex on the duplicate and choose the algorithm that matches the material, slicing for percussive or polyphonic for complex tones. Then route the original to a bus and the duplicate stays on its own track. Once done, you'll have independent control to remove drums without touching the source file. Now focus on taking the drum energy out while preserving musical content. Use channel EQ to sweep and find kick and snare frequencies, then apply narrow cuts, make small gains, and listen. Add a noise gate or enveloper to suppress sharp transients, faster attack, moderate release, so drum hits lose punch. If artifacts persist, use Logic's built-in strip silence or a spectral editor plugin to surgically attenuate drum hits. Make incremental changes and play the whole arrangement. Finish by automating EQ or gate parameters so drum reduction adapts to the arrangement. Write automation and smooth transitions with small crossfades. Once automated, a /B with the original track to confirm you didn't remove melodic content. If you hear pumping or tonal artifacts, reduce cut Q, soften gate settings, or apply transient smoothing and gentle reverb to mask processing. As a key troubleshooting tip, if removal introduces horrible artifacts, revert to the duplicate and perform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.